Morning, I'm back again. Having finalised and checked the steering head bearings yesterday, I thought today we'll have a crack at taking the front wheel out. Why? Because I've not done it before, and B, I don't know how much grease is on it or how well protected it is from the elements, so I thought I'd do a short video, and well, hopefully a short video, and see how we go. So just turn the camera on, see what happens. Bye. Just a couple of quick details first. You need to get the bike front wheel off the ground, and because I've got a stone protection plate underneath, the best place to jack it from is directly under the engine case, or the sump if you like, to get that front wheel up. And secondly, though, one of the most important things to remember is the front axle has a left-hand thread. That means when you want to get it off, you have to pretend you're doing it up to get the right rotation. Bye. So here we go. Brake caliper bolts first, 17mm. Make sure you got the handbrake on as well, in case the whole lot wants to slide backwards. Caliper is off. Brake linings, I've got plenty of them. Okay, and then away. So that one out. Undo pinch bolts. Take them right out at this stage because I don't know how much thread locker they've got on them. Not a lot. So every chance that's got to go that way. Here we go. Axle out. There we go. Now we're out. A little trouble with the backing plate, and that's done. Okay, we're mostly greased up. Start putting these suckers back together again. There. There. Here we go. Just Wasn't holding my mouth right. Now that's got to be in the right position too. I can't see how it can be wrong. Just put those in loosely with the thread locker on. Pinch bolts. About, I don't know, about tight enough. Does that. Wish the rear was this easy. Okay. 17mm span again. All done. Find the brake. I think that did it up. And there's looseness in the head bearings at all. A little bit of cable binding. The bi-turbo steering damper is done up to about a third, I think, 5 clicks, thereabouts. And that's really it. Just wish the rear was as easy as the front. Didn't seem to be any issues there. I did turn these little circlips so that they are pointing more outwards and easier to get to, but that's nothing really. Back again, for those who are unaware, the spare wheel is fitted to the recording. Spare wheel that we get with the Ural will not go directly onto the front or the sidecar wheel without utilising the spacers. And the reason for that is because the rear axle is now much larger than the existing axle in either the front or the sidecar. So these two sockets have to be fitted to the spare wheel by removing various components. But in case you're unaware, it might be very useful to know that you don't have a spare that will fit without inserting these sleeves on either the front or the sidecar wheel. Just a heads up.